Ours is a land of plenty. Ours is a nation of dignity and history. Our peoples are at one with Mother Nature. Our traditions embrace our mountains, our wildlife, and our air. We celebrate our rich and fragile heritage. We are proud of our integrated vision of our place at the center of our natural environment. Our watchword is mankind in step with nature. North of the Arctic Circle, in the seamless day of the midnight sun, we now seek pioneers who share our vision to bring forth the natural riches of oil and gas from below, for the benefit of our peoples, our culture, and our terrestrial ecosystems in harmony with the ocean depths. Mankind in step with nature. Operators who are interested in pre-qualifications are invited to contact the ministry, when we would be pleased to share with you our ethical philosophy and hopefully even engage you in our rich cultural heritage, which includes aurora bowling, freestyle fjord wangling, and nocturnal clubbing.